today in class 10th mathematics. Yesterday we will discuss about the question paper board pattern and our chapter is continue arithmetic progression. Today we will discuss about the sum of n terms of an AP. Means हम nth term का फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं, कैसे nth term फाइंड आउट करनी है AP की. ठीक है, आज हम करेंगे जो n टर्म्स है उसका सम का क्या फार्मूला है हमारे पास. सबसे पहले जो सम है उसका फार्मूला क्या है, उसको डिनोट करते हैं SN से. ये आएगा हमारे पास n/2. n इज द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. 2a मीन्स a इज द फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस n-1 into d. So this is the formula to find the sum of n terms of an given A. Is that clear today? Is that clear? Yes. Here is next. You can also use the formula n/2 a plus l. L is the last term. Last term is an. L is equal to an is equal to a plus n-1 into 3. You can see here. If you can write is a plus a n-1 into d. A plus a plus n-1 into d. a plus n-1 d की वैल्यू क्या होगी l. तो फार्मूला हमारे पास क्या बन गया. ये फार्मूला तभी यूज होगा जब हमारे पास लास्ट टर्म इज गिवन हो, a is given हो and n is given. Otherwise we can use this form if the AP series is given. Clear होगा. AP sequence is arithmetic progression is given. Suppose here is the one question. Suppose first question exercise 5.3 question number 1. Here is given AP 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. How many terms? 10 terms. Try to understand it. A is the first term. We already know. D is the common difference. Second minus first. Second minus first is equal to 5. That is the common difference. And up to 10 terms here, so n is 10. 10 is equal to n is also 10. 10/2. 2a is 2 plus n is 10 minus 1. D is 5. And solve it. You can solve it. Here is 2 5s are 5 into 2 2 is 4. Here is 9. 9 5s are 45. 5 into 49. Multiply करोगे 5 9 is 45. 4 20 22. Answer is 245. So here is the given AP up to 10 terms. A is the first term. D is the common difference, second minus first, and n is 10. You can use this formula of n terms, sum of n terms, and put all the values and solve it. You get the answer. Is that clear to all of you, buddy? Any doubt to any student? Next, you can see another question that is based on this. Suppose here is given another question. Question number, all parts of question number 1 that is depend on this. Okay. Question number 2. Here is first part 7 plus 10 into 1/2 up to 84. That is good. Clear? Here is you also see A is 7, D is 10 and 10 half minus 7 means 21/2 minus 7. Solve it. 21 minus 14/2, that is 7/2. Is that clear today? And last term is given. ठीक है. an is given हो गई ना. कौन सी हो गई है? क्या SN हो गया? क्या होया है?
n नहीं.
an होगी. केडी होगी? an. ठीक है. तो an कितनी होगी हमारे पास? 82. क्लियर है? ओके. तो यू कैन यूज इसको हम l भी बोल सकते हैं. methods to solve. Jado you can use the direct formula of Sn when last term is given. You can use n over 2 k plus n. But in this, n is not given. Clear? So first of all, you can find n from here. How can you solve it? You can solve this. L is equal to an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is given to 80. Clear बेटे? a हमारे पास कितनी है? 7. Now here is 7 plus n minus 1. d हमारे पास कितनी है? 7 over 2 is equal to 84. 7 transfer to this side. Then n minus 1 shift to this side over 84 minus 7. You can solve it. N minus 1 into 7 over 2 is equal to 77. N minus 1 is equal to 77, 2 in numerator and 7 in denominator. Cut it. Then solve it. N is equal to 22 plus 1 is equal to 20. Then you can use the formula of Sn. N over 2. You can also use a plus n. Direct formula. L is the last term is given 84. N is 23. 23 over 2. A is 7 plus L is 84. 23 into 91 over 2. Multiply it and you get the answer. You get the answer. Is that clear to all of you? Is that clear today? When last term is given, first you can find the from last term. Find the value of n. When a is given, d is given. Use the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Last term means a nth term. You can denote by last term is L and an. Both. Is that clear today? Okay? Thank you. How many terms of the AP 9, 17 up to 25 up to so on must be taken to give the sum of 636. ये 636 sum कितना बनेगा इस terms कितने terms होंगे n मतलब you can find it. Here is given AP is 9, 17, 25 up to so on and sum is given 636. Here is A is equal to 9 and D is the common difference is equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Use the formula of sum. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values. Sn is given to 326 is equal to n over 2, 2a, 2 into 9, a the value is 9 plus n is not given minus 1, d the value is 8. Solve this. 636 to that side in numerator is equal to n. 2 9s are 18 plus 8n minus 8. Solve it. You can get 636 multiply this 1272 is equal to n into 18 में से 8 माइनस करके 10 हो गया 10 plus 8n. Solve it. 1272 is equal to 10n plus 8n. When you multiply it, n में 10n हो गया बेटे and 8n में n हो गया तो 8n. Solve it. Rewrite the terms on one side. 8n square plus 10n minus 172 is equal to 0. Divide by 2. 2 से डिवाइड करोगे ये आ गया 4n स्क्वायर प्लस 5n माइनस 6 3 6 is equal to 0. Use the formula quadratic formula. ठीक है. Compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 4. B is equal to 5. C is equal to minus 636. Then you can first find the discriminant d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. b is 5 the square minus 4 into 4 into minus 336. 25 minus minus plus 4 4 जा 16, 636 को 16 में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 16 6 जा 96, 9 कैरी, 16 3 जा 48, 9 57, 5 कैरी, 96, 16 6 जा 96, 96 plus 5 101. So 101 76 is equal to 25. ऐड कर दो दोनों 1 8 5 6 11 हो गया, 1 कैरी 9 0 हो गया बेटा, 1 फिर कैरी 2 10,201. ठीक है, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट आ गया, दैट इज पॉजिटिव ग्रेटर देन 0. इट हैज 2 real roots. Therefore you can find the x and minus b plus minus square root of b over 2a. Minus b means minus 5 plus minus d is 10 201 over 2 into 4. Solve this. When you solve it, here is minus 5. You can find the square root of 10 201. How can you can find 1 is a 1, 0 2, 1 double is 2, here is 0 नहीं जाएगी तो here is 0, 0 1, that is 1. Clear today? The square root of 10,201 is equal to 101 over 8. Here is two values, minus 5 plus 101 over 8, and second is minus 5 minus 101 over 8. Solve it. 5 minus 96 over 8. Negative is not possible, so the number of terms cannot be negative. Is that clear today? So this value can be minus 106 over 8. That is rejected. So the number of terms cannot be negative. So n is equal to 12. The number of terms कितनी आ गई हमारे पास? 12. Is that clear today? Clear? When sum is given, 8 is given, how you can find the number of terms? First of all, you can use the formula of Sn. Okay? Sn formula, put all the values of Sn, A and D. You can find the values of n. If there is a quadratic equation, you can use the quadratic formula. We already discussed in chapter number 4. Then find the values of the given variable, and if value is possible, that the answer is this, and if not possible, that is the correct. That is clear? Okay, thank you.